So the last tool of the 4-tool spindle turning set of the Pro Comfort range by Racket Power is the Spindle Gouge, and it's the gouge I use the most to make all the kinds of different shapes, the beads and the coves and the V-grooves and all other things you can do with this tool. It's a really actually multi-tool, and I've changed it a little bit. When it came out of the packaging, it did not have this fingernail grind on it, so I've made a fingernail grind on it by easily removing a bit of metal from the sides using the Pro Edge with the appropriate jigs for that. So, and after a few minutes, I have converted it into this very, very nice, useful tool. The difference is that now it has a more pronounced point, so I can make finer details with it. I can make narrower V-grooves with it, so you won't run into the side of your tool when you use it. And I think it's easier to use it in this configuration. So I will show you what you can do with it. So the spindle gouge you can use for all kinds of different shapes. I will make a fast bead and a V-groove with it. So this looks really nice. Oh wow, this is great. Oh, this is so smooth. Oh, we love it. Oh, this is smooth. I love it. Nice V-groove here. Actually, the beginning of a spinning top when I see it like this. Really nice. I don't want to use a lot of wood, of course, because I want to save it for later. Look at that. Absolutely smacking nice. I love it.
Oh yeah, she was taking me over.
I can compare it with the Sorby one. The Sorby one is a little bit lighter in its weight. In weight, it's a little bit short. The handle is shorter. The handle is longer with the Racket Power, but I really love the way the Racket Power feels with the triangular shaped handle, and everything feels really sturdy. I think the metal itself feels a little bit thicker. Just the hair, did not measure it, but it feels a little bit thicker. And you can see also the groove is a little bit, the flute it's ground off more. You got more centimeters usage from it. But I have to tell you, when you use a sharpening system like a Pro Edge or a Tormek, you won't lose any length on the tool itself. It really will take you maybe 50 years, something like that, to grind away your tool completely. So you don't, if you're using fast grinding wheels, then you might really have a little bit more profit from this one, because they have a longer flute, so you have longer time of usage in sharpening. But I really would recommend you getting another grinding system if you find that you are losing centimeters or inches very, very fast. So careful with that. But I really love the way this tool is. It cuts really properly. It just feels exactly the way it should do. So I'm really in comparison, of course, because I've been using other brands for 10 years already. So now I see this, and I really, really enjoy using the tools made by Racket Power. So I'm really glad to add these to my ever-growing tool collection.